Hello, good day. These days, majority of sponsors, investors, and business owners have little time to sit down and glance through your business proposal or your business plan. So it is very important for you to take into consideration when preparing your business proposal and your business plan. Always make sure that you make it very short, precise, and straight to the point, because investors and sponsors these days have no time to sit down and glance through your 15 or 20 page business proposal or business plan. So it is very important for you to note that whenever you are sending out your business proposal or your business plan, you make sure that you make it very short, concise, and straight to the point. These days, the maximum number of pages your business proposal or your business plan should cover is a maximum of 5 pages. The first page being your cover page, and the rest of the pages should contain your business description, the services you render or the products you sell, and your mission, vision, and any other information that are relevant to the business or enterprise you are operating. So take this into consideration whenever you are sending out your business plan or your business proposal or any other grant document you are sending out. If the sponsor or entrepreneur, or if the sponsor or investor asks you to provide a certain number of pages, that is fine, you can go by that way. But if he or she doesn't specify, you can make it very short but straight to the point. These days, investors and sponsors don't even read that long document. Some of them hand it over to their PAs, secretaries, and any person within their office to read it and tell them the content of the document. So it is very important for you to make sure that your document is well prepared, very short, straight to the point, and contains your business profile, your description, the services you render, or the products they sell. This is AG Professional Services. If you like this content, you can subscribe to our channel and share this for others to also benefit. At AG Professional Services, you can get our ebook on CV writing and cover letter writing in the description section, and follow us for more tips like this. At AG Professional Services, we do it right. Subscribe for more tips.